Hello everyone! Andito kami sa Rawi Warren Resort, a 5-star hotel in Koh Lanta, Thailand, preparing for Sonia's wedding. Oscar, say something about this resort.
I have no
You're
idea.
better speaker.
I have no idea actually. Look at this. This is a serene, beautiful view of Shirai's wedding. Yeah. Giant fucking mango. Sorry, mangoes. Whoa.
Look at the lotus.
Yes. Oh.
Ipapasyal ko kayo sa Rawi Warren Resort. 5-star ito guys. Tingnan niyo, panoorin niyo. Napakaganda. It's so beautiful here guys. What is that? Oh, the big lizard? Look at this. Look at the view from here. Look at this, so beautiful. Oh, I'm gonna stay here for a month. Joking. May okasyon. Mabuti na tsempuhan namin na may mga nakaset up. Andito kami para i-check ang wedding venue. At pagkatapos ay itutur ko kayo sa kwarto na nirentahan namin dito sa Rawi Warren. Lahat ng importanteng detalye or details ng stay namin dito ay ibibigay ko sa inyo sa huli. So ito yung yung area nila by the pool. Tabing dagat din. Busy ang ang resort na ito. The property also has a very beautiful private beach area. This is where the events happen. Hindi na kami nagkaroon ng pagkakataon na makita yung rooms nila. 80% ang occupancy, so halos puno. Kasi magaganda raw ang mga rooms dito. Makikita niyo naman, busy ang swimming pool nila. Napakalaking property guys, napakaganda. Dito naman yung gym nila, ayan. Nadaanan ko lang kaya nag-video ako guys.
For the cocktail.
Mocktail?
A mocktail we have also.
Timing na namin ang happy hour.
Yes, this not one, buy two, get one free.
Buy to get one free.
Yes.
What do you think? I'm here in Ravi Warren. 5-star.
How's it, Sadna?
So
You were
they're
literally
looking
looking at me, scavenging this coconut. What did you? Eating all whatever.
One can come first and then I'll just like that.
Which one is all of them will be in this room?
No.
This is
Here.
just one room?
This
For-
is just one room for
All
two
right.
person.
For 2 person, okay. Oh, this is such a beautiful room. Napakaganda. Ito guys, ang room ng ng Ravi Warren for a couple. Hatid namin sila sa isa pang kwarto. Dito kayo. Sa mga kwarto guys, gumastos kami ng more than 10,000 baht each room. Marami kasi kami dumating dito. 4 na kwarto yung kinuha namin. Nagbayad kami ng ganong kalaki kasi gusto namin ma-experience ang stay namin sa Thailand. Nakita niyo naman yung yung mga rooms kompleto, may bathtub, private balcony and nature. Can we see your room? Nag-video rin? Ang ganda ng kwarto nila. Taray. Ang ganda naman ng kwarto nyo. Super nice. Ilang araw din sila mag-stay dito kasi kailangan namin ng room para sa mga bisita. Okay guys, tapos na yung aming tour dito sa Rawi Warren. And see you again next time. Bye!